Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can automatically send lead alerts to your team on Mattermost. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. Cognito Forms is a form building software application and Mattermost is an open source chat and communication platform. Now the idea here is that you have created a form using your Cognito Forms. The form can be a sign-up form, a feedback form, a survey form or any kind of form. You have created a form and you have shared that form with your customers or you have embedded that form on a website to get the form filled. Now you want that whenever any of your customer fills the form, automatically a message should be sent to your team on your Mattermost channel. A new post should be shared on the Mattermost channel. For this, we need to create a connection between Cognito Forms and Mattermost so that whenever the form is filled, automatically a new post is shared on your Mattermost channel. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us search for Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By creating a new account, you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, let's simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Cognito Forms to Mattermost integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send the lead alerts to our team on the Mattermost account. So open this trigger window, choose the application name as Cognito Forms. Select the trigger event as new entry. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So you can follow these instructions to set up the webhook in your Cognito Forms specific form. So I'll just copy this form from, I'll just copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my Cognito Forms account where I have already created forms. And here we are going to access this customer form right now. Let's open the customer form. So we are on the build section. In this particular form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer, that is the name, email address and the mobile number. So if you want to add some more fields, you can add it from over here by clicking on this plus sign as per your requirement. Now once the form is completed, you have just created the form, simply click on this publish option, you will get a form link. Okay, I'll just show you the link also. Okay, so you will get the form link which you can share it with your customers to get the form filled or you can embed it on a website. So let's move to the build option once again. And here we can find the submission settings option. Just click on submission settings, scroll down and here you have to just make this post JSON data to a website, make it on, enable it. And as soon as you enable it, it will be asking for the submit entry endpoint. So here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and simply click on save. Okay, and the webhook is saved on this particular form, that is customer form. Now using this particular webhook URL, we have created an integration between customer form and Pabbly Connect. So next time whenever any of your customers is going to fill this form, automatically his details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Let's move to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just move to my customer form once again. Here we'll be moving to the publish option. And here I'm just going to open the form in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of our customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number and click on submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. Okay, so the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find his name as Adam Smith. Here we can find his email address, and here we can find the mobile number also. So now we want to send a notification to our team or the lead alerts to our team on the Mattermost account. For that, come to this action step, choose the application name as Mattermost. Select the action event as create a post. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So you have to follow these instructions to find the token. I'll directly take you to my Mattermost account. Here we have to just click on the profile. Come to profile. Here you have to click on security option. And here you can find the personal access tokens. Just click it over here. And here we are going to create a new token by clicking on this create token button. Let's give the description, the token description as Cognito Forms Leads. Here you can give the name as per your requirement, and let's click on save. You are generating a personal access token with system admin permissions. Are you sure you want to create this token? Let's click on yes, create. And here we can find the access token, its description and the ID. And here we can find an instruction also. Please copy the access token below. You won't be able to see it again. So if you want to access this token again and again, you have to save it somewhere safely. Okay. I'm just going to copy this access token from here. And I'll be pasting the same token over here. Let's scroll down. Now it is asking for the Mattermost URL. And one more important information before that, I'll just want to inform you that if you don't find the personal access tokens over here, just close this window. Okay, yes, I have copied the token. Just close this window. Here you have to find the 9 dots. Okay, click on the 9 dots and here you can find system console option. Just click it over here. Scroll down and here you can find the integration management option. Just click on it. Scroll down and at last you can find enable personal access tokens. So you have to just enable it by clicking on this true button and click on save. So these tokens will get enabled over here and you will be able to access those tokens from your profile. Okay. So make sure you have enabled all your personal access tokens from here. Okay. Now it is asking for the Mattermost URL. For that I'll just go to the URL and I'll be copying the URL from here and I'll be pasting the same URL over here in Pabbly Connect. And the backslash is not required, so I'm just removing it and let's click on save. And now the Mattermost account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Mattermost account. So make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Mattermost account. Now here we have to select the team name which is automatically captured as Confab in my case. Here you can find the team name also. I'll just take you to my main page. Okay, here you can find my team name. So you have to select your team name over here. Now the channel needs to be required over here. So I have created a channel named Pabbly Connect. So now I want all the messages to be displayed on this particular channel. So we have to select the same channel name over here. That is Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the message. What is the message you want to send to your team? So I want the message to be as new lead received. Okay, and customer details are, I want to mention his name, his email address as well as his mobile number. Okay, and here we are going to map the details of all the details of the customer that we have already received through the form submission, all these details. So let us map them one by one. Let us map the email, for the name, come to Cognito Forms and let us map the name. Here we have to map the email address. Again, come to Cognito Forms and let us find the email address over here and let us map the mobile number also. So let us find the mobile number. Okay, we have mapped all the details. So this is the message which I have created right now, new lead received.
Customer details are name, Adam Smith, his email address and the mobile number. If you want to just generate a message, you can generate a message as per your requirement. I have just created a basic message over here. So if you want to mention the root post ID, you can give it over here, or if you want to mention some file ID, you can give it over here. I'm just leaving these fields as blank, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new message is delivered to your team on your Mattermost channel. Let's check it. And here we can find a message as new lead received. Customer details are name Adam Smith, email address and the mobile number. And in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an integration between Cognito Forms and Mattermost, next time whenever any of your customers is going to fill your customer form in your Cognito Forms account, automatically the details will be shared, the lead details will be shared on your Mattermost channel with your team automatically. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just open the form in a new tab and we are going to fill in the details on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number and click on submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our Mattermost channel. Okay, and here we can find another new message. New lead received, customer details are name Shikha Arya, her email address and the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Cognito Forms and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. Then using those details of the customer, automatically a new post was created on your Mattermost channel that a new lead has been received. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Cognito Forms and Mattermost using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.